caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, and yes, it's another unboxing. I've been spending lots of money and I absolutely love shopping, and I'm going to share with you something which I truly love, and I do love coffee. At home I do have a cappuccino machine, really small, very basic, but makes great coffee. But to get that fresh coffee, you can't buy the beans which are already ground. So I have a Philips blender. And then I put the coffee beans in, it gets messy, it goes all over the place. And I saw this a couple of months ago, but didn't really actually have enough space in my luggage to buy it. My luggage was that full. But this time I do. And this is something great if you have a coffee machine or any kind of coffee and you really love freshly ground coffee. Here it is. $120 I paid for this one. This is, I wouldn't even know how to pronounce the name. Can you see that? Yeah. Delonghi, there, whatever it is. So, recommended. You can see here, it's got all this sort of basic instructions for you in English and in other languages there. It's not like the ones you find in Starbucks or in Costa, but we are going to open it now. Exciting. You can't see my face on this one, you'll be happy for that. So, wouldn't know how to open this correctly. So it's not that heavy, first of all. Oh, nearly dropped it there. I wasn't too sure if that was on camera. Instructions, box, done. Here we go. Let's have a look at this little baby inside. Looks quite nice. I was speaking to the sales assistant, and I know this sales assistant because he used to work in a factory, believe it or not, making these kind of machines, the coffee machine that I actually bought. And I was looking at one, and he said, why didn't you have a look at this one? And I thought he was just going to go to sell it at a higher price, but this one was actually cheaper than some other coffee machines. So quite simply, yeah, this is it. If I could explain what he explained, yeah, you can put the coffee into here, I think, yeah, like that. It shows at the back here, max, so you know not to fill it. You put the top on there, you plug it in. Now on the side here is what course you want. So I was speaking to him because this is all new to me, and you can hear a nice solid click. This is sort of like a Mercedes kind of click. If you want it like espresso kind of coffee, then the beans have got to be like on 1 or 2, sorry, 2 or 3 he said, and that's going to be really nice. Then this is the magic bit, and the other coffee machines which were more expensive didn't really have this. You can decide how many cups of coffee you want, so you can just bung your beans in here, put your beans in there, yeah. Then here you want, let's say, 2 cups, yeah, it will just like clicks, and it's a nice solid click. It's not plasticky as well, it's pretty good. Then press the button. Once it's done your 2 cups of coffee, yeah, here we go. Again, nice and solid. Well, that bit isn't, but anyhow, the coffee will come into here. Even got a max there so you can see, and all you do, you can just scoop it up with a spoon or one of those coffee spatulas, and then make your coffee. So freshly ground coffee in a mini kind of system. Really easy to use. Really, he said, really easy to clean as well. So I think he was talking about that you could open the inside bit there. Wasn't too sure how, yeah, but we can look into that later. I will give it a review of this, yeah, for you, and see how it goes, but it's going to make a really nice addition to my kitchen. I'm looking forward to putting some coffee beans in there and trying it out. It's just going to be so nice. You can just leave your coffee beans in there instead of taking them out of the freezer, putting them into a machine, grinding them, and putting them into a jar, putting the jar into the fridge. This one, done. Press all the buttons, easy to use. Coffee comes out that. Put it into your coffee machine, whatever, and then you got really fresh coffee. So, I love it. Not going to turn it on because it's going to make a lot of noise. But if you are into coffee, then I would sort of recommend one of these. You can get things which are far more expensive. Ones that you can actually, if you have a cappuccino machine, you know, the thing that you put the coffee in and you turn it like they do, again, in Costa or Starbucks. They cost actually more than a coffee machine. Possibly about $300, $400. Yeah. So, this one I think is ideal. Yeah? Enjoy, like, subscribe, comment, and I will update this, and I will update all my other ones as well to show you how they're going and how practical they are and how useful they are, and if they're good or bad, and some good or bad things as well. So there's another unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now. Enjoy.